don't know if I showed you this before, but I'm obsessed with this laundry detergent. I don't know if you pronounce it like that, but Clearalif. I had been using this for a little bit because I want to try before I say anything to you guys. And look, I love it. Oh my gosh. Smell amazing. Deep clean, eco-friendly, fast dissolve, no photo, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce that. He explains so good how many you have to use. If it's a lot, you can put 2 of these. But I wish I knew this before. We travel a lot and I have to bring, big containers with laundry detergent. This is so amazing. And I finally received more. Look at this. You can stack this, and next time I'm gonna try another one. But let me show you. This is how I put for this amount. Maybe I can put another one just in case because it's a lot. Let's do this. Some people put it under and then they put the clothes. I really love this.